Welcome there, students. I am again going to try to keep it really short as for my little overview video for the week. Um, Big picture is the next half of the paper is due Wednesday before Wednesday night. And I'm going to try to give really efficient and quick feedback to you on Thursday and Friday, and that will leave you Saturday and Sunday to make any changes that you need to make. But I'll tell you this, I have a lot of online students, 40 or 50, somewhere between there, and it's going to be difficult to get you substantive and super thorough advice on all of your writing. So I'm going to be trying to just kind of hit the highlights and things I'm going to be looking for in your 400 word submission are going to be things like body paragraph structure, like we practiced, reasonable organization strategy, and frankly, I'm going to be looking for, did you listen to the feedback I gave you in your pre-writing in case you had some topics that didn't make sense or that didn't seem to fit the type of discussion I'm asking you to have. Another thing, a thing I'll be looking for, particularly in your 800 word submission, because by that point you should have organization and structure of body paragraphs together. Another thing I'll be looking for is your source use. So please be certain to, incorporate one or two sources. Don't go over two. There is a maximum and minimum. And because that's I think the primary thing I'm going to be looking for in this 800 word submission. I want to make sure you're integrating your sources within body paragraphs like we practice with the Paulson exercises. I want to make sure that you're documenting them in the way that I've been telling you to, and that you've done MLA properly in terms of signal phrase, in-text citation, and works cited citation. I might even, I probably won't be critiquing the overall formatting, like is it in double space or all that jazz. That can wait. But on that note, I probably do need to move into this page a kind of a formatting walkthrough. So I know that exists somewhere on Moodle, but I'm going to put it here in case you need kind of like a guide through how to properly format a paper. So that's that, and I hope to comment on both of your 400 and 800 submissions, but 800 word submissions, but I can really make no guarantees, and I'm going to do my best. And if I don't have a lot to say in any one of those things, or if I say something like you're on the right track, then just be comforted by those words and trust that I think it looks good, and I didn't have a whole lot of advice to give you. It's just looking good. But if I did give you some type of correction or criticism, make sure that you're doing your best to make those changes after the 400, perhaps so I can see it improved in the 800, but certainly for the final draft. So this week is just focused on finishing the paper and hopefully giving you enough time to revise it, to refine it, and submit a more perfect final draft. That is all.